What do you want me to say? How do I look? Do I need makeup? Sparkling water? Thanks. Animals. Hi, I'm Stanley. I'm the gay lion everyone's talking about now. So while on vacation in some random remote place in Africa, I had a booty call. I know, it's bad. There's some lady standing in the bushes with a camera, and the internet goes nuts. Nuts.
So I was on safari or whatever and saw these two lions wrestling, and I thought my friend Becky would think it was cool, so I filmed it with my phone. I didn't think it was a big deal.
And so, Mr. No Call Me Back the next morning decided he was going to hide from the public. I wish it were that simple. I wish I could get away with something like that. It's not fair. 4 in the morning, I'm getting all these messages, all these Facebook, emails, you know, Animal Planet texted me, but God forbid, there's a gay lion. My privacy was violated. So embarrassing. You know, and I feel bad for everybody, you know, my mom. Yeah, she didn't deserve this.
I can never show my face again.
I'm gonna need a minute.
Look, I gotta do this interview thing for your brother. Well, your half brother. Yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do. You know, I gotta do it. It's for him. Hopefully it will help the family. I don't know. We gotta get our side of the story out there. Everyone's out there saying what they need to say about us and making us look like trash, and someone's gotta stick up for us. So it's gonna have to be me. I'm sick of our good name being thrown in the dirt. Someone needs to stick up for us. Someone needs to stick up for Stanley and his rights as a lion. Someone needs to stand up for his rights as a lion American.
I shouldn't be treated any different. Oh, that was good. Are we rolling? I don't know what I'm gonna do!
What?
No, Mom.
What?
There's cameras outside, they won't leave me alone!
I'm
And take
sorry.
pictures of...
I'm
just
sorry.
the
Get a
one night.
hotel room next time, Nancy. Alone, okay?
Get off me!
It's not just you.
Yes it is, it's all about me! All about me!
It's all about your naked ass. For one who wants to see their son doing it. Not me. Stanley!
No! I don't need any of that. Time for that is over. You know.
Stanley! Stanley!
No!
Stanley!
Get out of this,
Stanley,
Daddy!
don't be doing this in front of What the world think?
They want me to see a therapist, you know, because I obviously can't handle the spotlight.
So please, tell me how it makes you feel knowing that your lion has exposed himself the way that he has and how the public is reacting to it.
That's kind of a vague question. What do you mean? My
But
son
they
is
thought
not-
that they were alone.
They
didn't
thought
know-
they were alone.
Okay, so how does that make you feel that how the public's reacting to it?
That someone would have the audacity to hide themselves in a bush and video or, you know, film somebody, you know, in a private act
Without their, yeah, no.
without their consent.
And did you find it hard to relate to your son as he was growing up and becoming an adolescent and...
No.
Okay. You believe that?
I'm sorry, don't you?
Well, there's always two sides to a story.
Give me a break.
So, if he's going to choose to make those decisions and continue with them, there's consequences for those actions.
Well, no, I can't say that I'm ashamed of myself. I'm just ashamed that I got
Then why
caught.
did... So, if you're not ashamed of who you truly are, then why are you feeling the way that you are as far as the public's reaction to all of this?
It just makes me feel ashamed, like I'm being publicly flogged in front of the world. And the fact that my mom had to find out this way.
Okay.
I always knew. I always knew Stanley was gay.
So when you did this, when you were fornicating with another male out in the open, you didn't think about how people would react to that, maybe, or how your mother maybe would find out?
I didn't know I was on the safari route, honestly.
Were you not in the corner?
We were like behind a bush.
How big was the bush?
It was big. I don't know. Okay. This is not the Game of Thrones everyone's talking about. This is my life. God, there she goes again, making it about her. You know.
I'm not making it about me.
Not about me. You're still my cub. You don't even care.
It happened to me.
I can't even, like, comfort you though. I can't even hug you or hold you.
I purr like I purr. My purr box is big. See?
Don't be such a dummy.
Dumb.
Do it in private.
Dummy.
Crack my hand.
High risk taker.
Stanley.
Do you like taking high risks, Stanley? Are you a risk taker, do you think?
Well, he's somebody.
I killed a zebra this morning. What do you think?
I don't think he realizes that there's consequences for every action that he's taking. And if he chooses to live such a looked and frowned upon
Throw that
lifestyle,
word choose around one more time. I'm gonna bite your face off.
you have attention disorder, you think maybe?
I'm here for you.
We have 2 minutes still.
Stanley.
I'm getting paid that 2 minutes.
Get back in here.
too bad.
Quit embarrassing me. People are pigs. I've never had a problem showing my face in public, regardless of my son or who he chooses to be with. And we've always been open. But now, they're just downright hateful. Now they know. I mean, everyone knows. We were close-knit, you know, we had our own group, you know, people wouldn't say anything, you know, or even if they felt a certain way, they would just, you know, keep their mouth shut and maybe say it behind our backs. But now it's just like, we're just targets. People just feel like they can say whatever they want. And it's okay, you know? You kind of get a feeling of how maybe celebrities feel. Like people can just, you know, have any opinion they want of them. It's just sad. I just don't want to leave my house and face all that ugliness. Makes me feel worse for my son. So that's how I am.
I'm gonna go now. Is that okay? Are we done? Can I leave? Who's gonna pay me?
Give me a break.